everyone, so today I'm replacing my crown badge with the black one. So all the residue is now gone, no more sticky stuff. Now it took me about 5 minutes with the adhesive remover. Definitely not a bad product at all. Okay, so it is bigger than my stock ones. Like, it's basically twice the size of it. But honestly, I kind of like it. Like, it's different, and I did move it a little bit higher than it was. I don't know where that dent came from, but it was under the badge. But yeah, it was a little lower than that, so I just moved it higher just for it to flow better because it was too close to the tail light. So this is what it looks like now. I like it. Stay tuned for the next vlog.